Yeah, it's a great piece of hardware that's going to be engaging for students. I love the look of it.
I feel like I could, be handed a lesson with anything here and kind of go with it, right? After today.
All of the core concepts are in there.
The platform's very intuitive. I think students, it's similar to other things that students and teachers and that have interacted with. Crystal clear procedures for accessing the lessons, how this platform works. So that's very, very clear. For using this with the code editor, also extremely clear.